Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make money selling digital products in 2025. The digital products are amazing because you create them once and sell them over and over with no inventory needed. So without further delay, let's just break it down in today's video. So first of all, you need to choose your digital product niche. You need to pick something that solves a problem or offers value. I can suggest you some of the popular options like ebooks, online courses. You can create Canva templates, then you can create Notion boards. Other than this, you can select the stock photos and digital art. So basically, at the first page, you need to select what would be your digital product. Once you have it ready, you can use the tools like Canva and Notion and even Google Docs to create your product. The key here is making it high quality so that your customers find it useful and recommend it. Now, in order to sell your final digital product, you can simply just either use Shopify, then you can use Etsy, you can also use Gumroad, or you can also sell it even on your own website. Now, I would recommend you to select Gumroad because it will be very easy for you to set it up. So once you are here inside Gumroad, click on the option of products in the left hand side. Over here, select the option of new product. After that, since it is a digital product, you need to select digital product, then give your product a name. Then you can add the product pricing from $10 to $50 depending on how you want to sell it and how much value you are giving in that particular digital product. So for templates and for ebooks, you can set it between $10 to $50. Now click on the option of customize here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to provide some more details about your digital product, like the description. Then you can add a URL. You need to upload the cover photos, videos, thumbnails. You can do a lot of things with the help of Gumroad. Basically, you need to customize this page. You can also take a look at the preview here in the right hand section. Once you are done with it, simply click on the option of save, then click on the option of publish and continue. So once you do this, you will be given a link that you can use in order to promote it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and wherever your presence is available on social media. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.